Do self-help books make money? hmm Let's talk about how and how much. Hey, future bestseller. Are self-help books a golden ticket to financial success, opening the doorway to dozens of new revenue streams? Lisa Daly here. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, I'm a book coach and best-selling award-winning, traditionally an indie published author of 15 books. Welcome. If you want to write a book you're super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell because I've got a whole bunch of awesome videos to help you do just that, and I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, let's talk numbers. Do self-help books make a lot of money? Yes, they do. Lots of it. Personal development books have grown at a remarkable 20% year over year increase since 2013. 20%! But the self improvement market is not just about books, it's also about growing your business in all kinds of ways, like the courses and the mastermind groups and the coaching programs that all come from the book, too. According to a study by Custom Market Insights, the self improvement market, also known as the personal development market, surged to over $38.3 billion in 2022 and continued its upward trajectory in 2023, reaching a staggering $41 billion. These figures underscore the massive value and profitability of self-help books. And with the burgeoning demand for personal development and wellness content, experts project that by 2032, the self-help market is going to double to a staggering $81 billion. I mean, that's pretty impressive. Your self-help books equals a money-making machine. All right, so are you ready to turn your self-help book into a cash cow? Okay, so here are some of the many ways authors like you and me make money with a single self-help book. Number one, online and in-person courses. Transform your self-help book content into comprehensive courses that offer deeper insights and practical exercises for your audience. Number two, workbooks. You can develop accompanying workbooks or journals to complement your self-help book, providing your readers with actionable prompts and exercises to apply the concepts that they've learned from your book. Number three, additional books on the same topic. Expand your self-help book series by delving deeper into specific aspects of the topic or exploring related themes that cater to a more diverse reader experience. Number four, coaching. Leverage your expertise and credibility as a self-help author to offer coaching services, guiding individuals through personalized strategies and techniques in order to help them achieve their goals. Number five, memberships and mastermind groups. Establish exclusive membership programs or mastermind groups where readers can access ongoing support, resources, and community interaction to foster their own personal growth and development. Number six, paid speaking engagements. Utilize your self-help book as a platform to secure paid speaking opportunities at events, conferences, workshops, sharing your insights and inspiring audiences with your message. Number seven, attract new clients. Potential clients who resonate with your self-help book's message will often want to hire you. And this can lead to some great opportunities for consulting, mentorship, and other professional services aligned with your specific area of expertise. Need a shortcut to writing your own self-help book? Here's one. If you're looking for a turbo boost, be sure to check out the Write a Self-Help Book in 30 Days course. It's like the express lane to authorship success. And if you're a fan of self-help books yourself, I know I am, my best-selling book and workbook, Write a Self-Help Book in 14 Days, are available at bookstores everywhere. And you can either scan the QR code or check out the link below. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. You'll definitely want to check out this video. I'll see you over there. See you next time.